Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be testing out these colored pencils which I got from Amazon. It's called Cool Bank. It comes with 160 pencils, and also I'll put a link down below if you're interested in the color pencils. So I'm going to open it up and show you. Here are the colored pencils. Here's this one. And here's these. Very pretty. I like these colors. And here's this one. And here's this one. I'm going to be testing out the colors, see how well they color in this coloring book that I have. I'm going to figure out what color I want to use to test out. I'll try like the purple color. This color is called Hot Pink. I like how that gives you the names of the colors. That's really cute. So I'll try this one out. Next I'll test out this dark green. I really like the color pencils. They're very easy to use, and I'm going to see how well they blend. I'm going to pick color to use to blend in, but let's see here. I got brown color. How about, color is this? Bronze. I'll try this one. And I'll try a dark red. Let's see how well it blends in. See, I'll test it on here. It blends in really good. I like that. I'll use this color. See how well it blends in with this color. Wow, I like that. It's really nice. It blends in really good. I like purple. I like purples and pinks. Those are like my favorite colors. So I'm going to try this one. Let's see, rose pink. Baby pink. They have baby pink. That's cute. Try the baby pink. I'm going to be using deep sky blue, and I'm going to be coloring these tiny little diamonds right here. Then I'm going to be using this honey orange on the flowers. Yeah, see, it blends in really nicely. I like that. Very nice. I tested out most of the colors. I really like them. And it's cool that you have a case that you put your color pencils in. That's really nice. I really like these color pencils. And they blend in really nicely. If you guys are interested, just a reminder that I will put a link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope everybody has a great day or night. Bye bye.